Hi everyone. Here question is design NFA to accept all the strings where string contains A as a substring. So here condition is any string will get accepted where A should be part of that string. Substring means what? That string should contain A, maybe at starting, ending or somewhere else, but string should contain A. So based on this we can write down minimum length string. Here minimum length string is A itself because this string contain A and that's what our condition. A should be as a substring. Or I can say A should be present. Before that any symbol is allowed, maybe A or B, but it should contain A. Or it may possible that after A there may be another A may come, it should contain A. Or maybe after reading the A, B may come. Or I can say A should be present there. Before and ending any symbol is allowed, like this here. That is also any number of time. For example, I can say double B is allowed before and after A, or double A is allowed before and after A. It should contain A, and for that we need to design the NFA. So our first state is Q0. First string is A itself. Always design automata for the first minimum length string. A should get accepted. So Q0 reading A. As A should get accepted, it means what? After reading A, automata should go to the final state. So it's going to final state. Now we design automata for our condition. Our automata should accept all the strings where A should be substring. It means what? If A should be substring, but before A, any symbol may come. For example, before A, 0 number of A's may come like epsilon, or single A may come before reading the A, or before reading A, 2 A's may come, before reading A, 3 A's may come. It means what? Before reading the A, it means at Q0, I may have 0 number of A's, 1A, 2A or 3A. It should contain the A as a substring, but before that any number of A's are allowed, 0 number of A's or many number of A's. So scenario is of 0 or many. So at Q0 we may have 0 number of A's or many number of A's, and as we know, if there is a scenario of 0 or many at state Q0, we need to give the self loop. This is given in all last videos. Scenario of 0 or many means self loop at state Q0. Symbol is A. Similarly, before reading A, there is a chances of multiple B's. For example, here before reading A, B is possible, single B is possible, double B is possible. Our condition says that string should contain A. Before that any symbol may come, maybe 0 number of times, 1 B or many B's. It means what? Again scenario of 0 or many B's. At which state? Q0. So 0 or many scenario in TOC, self loop for symbol B. Similarly, now after reading the A, it may possible that any symbol may come. So after reading A means what? At state Q1. So write down state Q1 here. Once we read the A, multiple A's may come, maybe single A or double A or triple A, or 0 number of A's also possible. Or I can say parallelly, after reading A, how to reach to Q1? By reading A. See, how to reach to Q1? By reading A. Once I read the A, B may come. Once I read the A, 2 B's may come. Once I read the A, 3 B's may come. Or 0 number of B's means what? Epsilon. Epsilon is an empty string. What I mean to say here, once I read the A, after that 0 number of A's may come or many A's may come. 0 or many. Similarly here at Q1, once I read the A, I will be reaching to state Q1. After that 1 B may come or multiple B's may come, or no B's means epsilon. So 0 number of B's or many B's. Again scenario for 0 or many. It may be for symbol A, maybe for symbol B. As I explained in all previous videos, and also taken the one separate video when to give the self loop. Whenever there is a scenario of 0 or many at state, for example here Q1, you need to give the self loop. For which symbol? Symbol is A in this case. In this case symbol is B. So self loop for A or B at state Q1, and this becomes our final NFA. As we know, non-deterministic property means what? There may be 0 transition from each state. There may be more than one transition, like from the Q0 we have 2 transition for A. This is the first, this is the another. And here we have transition for A and B. In the non-deterministic finite automata, you need not to worry for transition, number of transition. It may be 0, it may be many transition. And this is your final answer for the given question where string contains A as a substring. You can practice similar question where string contains 0 as a substring. In the next session, we will be learning where AB as a substring. Thank you for watching.